Hi trade boosters, this is a very interesting super trend strategy for you guys to use. Very easy to apply as well. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works. All right, very simple rules. Number one, you need to have two super trend indicators on your chart, and the first one needs to have the setting. Here my setting for the first one, 50 and 7, and my setting for the second one is, where is it? Oh, there we go. 10 and 3. All right, so here's how it works. With our first super trend indicator, that's our trend filter. All right, so if we get a buy on our first super trend indicator, um, that signifies that it's an uptrend. All right, so we are only going to be taking buy opportunities from our second buy and sell indicator. This is, for example, we've got a buy here. It signifies, so we don't take a buy here. It just signifies that it's an uptrend and we should start looking for buys going forward. So we've got a buy opportunity there. So going forward, you can see we have a nice buy opportunity here given from our second indicator. We take that buy because it is within our uptrend. Stop loss somewhere down here, and if you can see, we've got a brilliant trade. All right, as you can see, we've got another buy opportunity somewhere here. Stop loss down here, and you can see that was also a winning trade. Got a buy opportunity here. Let me see, that was not a winning trade. As you can see, that was not a winning trade. That was a loss. Let's keep going. We eventually have a sell from our higher indicator. So then we're gonna look for sell opportunities. That was a sell. Let me see, that was a sell right there. And we had a small win on this one. Okay, cool. Let's keep going. We eventually had a buy trend. Then we had a sell. Okay, that does not matter. We had a buy, and then we eventually had a buy from our indicator within a buy trend, and we have a nice trade there. So it does work. As you can see, this is a brilliant strategy for beginners to use to capitalize on the market. Try it out. Let me know what you think. I'm more than happy to help you. If you need further help, comment below and I'll be happy to help. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.